Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain you how to find H parameters for the network shown in figure. This is the network given to us. First, let us write H parameter equations of a two-port network, which are defined as V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2 and I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. To find H11 and H21, V2 equal to 0. So we can write from the equations H11 equal to V1 by I1 when V2 equal to 0 and H21 from second equation H21 equal to I2 divided by I1 when V2 equal to 0. To find H12 and H22, I1 equal to 0. So I can write here H12 equal to, this H12 can be written as V1 by V2 when I1 equal to 0 and H22 equal to I2 divided by V2 when I1 equal to 0. We just redraw the circuit diagram for this case and this case. So first let us find H11 and H21 with the condition V2 equal to 0. I'll redraw the circuit. 1 ohm, this is 2 ohm, 1, 2, 2 ohms, 4 ohm, I1, so V2 equal to 0 means you have to short circuit the port 2. If you put V2 equal to 0, here the resistance will be equal to 0. And finding equivalent resistance for these two resistances, 0 into 4 divided by 0 plus 4 equal to 0. So we can just remove these two branches. The circuit will be modified like this, and this is I2. From this circuit we can find the values of H11 and H21. Okay. From the circuit I can write V1 equal to I1 into R equivalent, and here the current I1 is flowing. It gets divided in this branch and in this branch. So 2 ohm resistances are in parallel, which is in series with 1 ohm. So we can write I1 into 2 parallel to 2 plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. 4 by 4, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So V1 equal to 2I1. H11 equal to V1 by I1, which is equal to 2 ohms. To find H21, we should know the value of I2. And here the current is I1 is getting divided into two branches. I'll consider this as I1. And from the figure, I can write I2 equal to minus I dash, because these two are in opposite directions. Using current divider rule, I dash can be written as total current I1 into opposite branch resistance or parallel branch resistance 2 ohms divided by total resistance, that is 2 plus 2. I1 into 2 by 4 is nothing but I1 by 2. Therefore, I2 equal to minus I dash, that equal to minus I1 by 2. And now we can easily write H21 equal to I2, where I2 is minus I1 by 2 divided by I1. I1 gets cancelled, minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 0.5. H21 is a current gain parameter, so it is a dimensionless quantity. Now find other two H parameters, H12 and H2. Condition here is I1 equal to 0. Let me redraw the circuit. I1 equal to 0. When I1 equal to 0, no current is entering in this branch, so we can ignore this branch. By removing this branch, this is how circuit will look like. This is V1. And H22 equal to I2 by V2 when I1 equal to 0, and H12 equal to V1 by V2 when I1 equal to 0. So from the figure I can write here V2 equal to I2 into R equivalent, and current gets divided in these two branches. Whatever current enter in this 2 ohms will be flowing, same current will be flowing even in 2 ohms. So 2 ohms are in series, which is in parallel with 4 ohm resistor. So we can write R equivalent as 2 plus 2, which is in parallel with 4. So I2 is 4 parallel to 4. 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4, which is nothing but 16 by 8, that is 2. From this we can write I2 by V2 can be written as 1 by 2, that equal to 0.5 mho, because this is I by V is admittance. And to find H12 we should know what is V1. From the figure we can write V1 equal to current flowing in this 2 ohm resistor into resistance value. Let us assume the current entering in this 2 ohm resistor is I dash, because whatever current is entering in this 2 ohm, same will be flowing even in this 2 ohm resistor. So I dash 2 into I dash. According to Ohm's law, I can write here V1 equal to IR, where I is I dash, R is resistance value 2 ohm. Using current divider rule, we can write I dash can be written as total current, that is total current I2 into parallel branch resistance 4 by total resistance. Total means 4 plus 2 plus 2. So I2 into 4 by 8, that equal to I2 by 2. So we can write V1 equal to 2 I dash. I dash is I2 by 2. So 2 into I2 by 2, which is equal to I2. And we can write now H12 equal to V1 by V2. V1 is I2 and V2 is 2I2. I2 gets cancelled, that equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5. This is voltage gain parameter, and H12 is a dimensionless parameter. We have got all H parameters. Let us write all H11 equal to H12 equal to H21 equal to H22 equal to. H11 we got as 2 ohm and H21 as minus 0.5. 2 and H21 as minus 0.5 and H12 as 0.5 and H12 as 0.5 and H22 as same 0.5 more. These are the H parameter. In terms of equations, we can write them as V1 equal to 2I1 plus H12 V2 0.5 V2, and here this can be written as I2 equal to minus 0.5 I1 H21 I1 plus H22 V2 plus 0.5 into V2. This is how we can find H parameters for the network given. That's all for this video. Thank you.